Hello beautiful and amazing people, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you guys are doing great. So guys, in today's video we are going to be making chicken suya. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up at the end of the video and then leave a beautiful comment for me in the comment section below. And then please watch to the end of the video, don't skip any part of it. Let's start the preparation.
Why didn't I know from the very start? Oh, you left me here just to fall apart. If I wrote you a letter, would I have a chance? Would you read my letter if I had it sent? If I wrote you a letter, if I wrote you a letter, would I have a chance? Would you read my letter if I had it sent? If I wrote you a letter now, would I have a chance? If I wrote you a letter now, would it even be read? If I wrote you a letter,
I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you what love's supposed to be. I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you, yeah. I can show you, yeah. You're the light inside of me every night.
you have watched to this extent, you are super amazing. Thank you so much. You guys are the best. And if today is your first time of coming across this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. As you watch this video, please kindly subscribe and turn on notification bell so that whenever I upload, you always be notified about my new video. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share to your community, share to your loved ones. I will really appreciate that. Okay, now suya done. My chicken suya is ready. Can you see it, guys? It's looking so yummy. You can enjoy it with any chilled drink of your choice, either soft drink or wine, alcoholic or non-alcoholic. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.